Creating and saving a custom variant in Sparks. Creating and saving a variant can save you lots of time, especially if you need to adhere to corporate design or simply want to use a design template. First, we will focus on customizing your chart. I've already created a simple column chart that I will now customize to create my own chart variant. Now I'll select the chart that I want to customize and click on the Sparks icon in the Sparks ribbon to open the Sparks Manager. Here we see all of the chart characteristics that we can customize. As an example, here I will choose Design. By clicking on the category we are interested in, here Design, we can change individual chart parameters. If you scroll over the question mark, you will quickly see what each of these parameters stands for. Here I will change the column width and the fill style. For each parameter, there is a button to the right of the field where we can select Excel cells by marking them. Some parameters also have a built-in parameter assistant, represented by the pencil icon. When you click on the icon, the assistant window opens. Here we see some predefined color templates. Right now, the default color values are selected. However, you can also create your own custom fill, which you can use to match corporate design or simply show your creativity. Here, I'll select the IBCS Style tab and use drag and drop to put green into the left box to represent positive values and drag red to the right to represent negative values. Click Apply to apply the fill settings. As you see here, the styles have changed in the Fill Style field in the Sparks Manager, and close the Sparks Manager with OK. Now I'll quickly demonstrate that the settings are dynamic and that the chart changes fluidly if, for example, we enter negative values into our chart. Now we'll come to step 2, where we will create our own variant based on the customizations that I just made. Click on the icon in the upper left to open the Sparks Manager again. This time I will click on the Save as Variant button in the upper right corner of the Sparks Manager. A new window opens where I can give a name to the variant or add a description or an icon. I can select an icon by clicking Load and selecting an icon from any folder that I navigate to. Now we'll close the Sparks Manager with OK. This variant is now saved in the catalog. Since the variants are tied to a specific chart type, I will create a new column chart to show how I can use the variant that I just created. In the Sparks box, we'll find that our new variant, preset 01, under the variance heading on the right. In order to set my variant as the new default for this chart type, use the arrows to push the variant to the top. The top variant is always used as the default for the respective chart type. In the future, all charts that I create of this chart type, in this case column charts, will be made using the custom variant that I just created and set as the default. And that's all there is to creating a custom variant and setting it as the default.